In this video, we're going to show you how to get tree stumps out in a few minutes. This is not really a hack. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So today's video, I'm going to show you how to tear out a stump. So this is the best way to get rid of a stump at your property. So this was a giant tree that we've cut, and this has been here for years, maybe 3 years. So we dug around it. It's very difficult. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have somebody come in here. They're going to be using a special machine to essentially just go about 10 inches into the ground and shave this whole trunk. We also have another one in the backyard that they're going to do. They charge us $250. Now, if you were to do it yourself, I was going to dig around it and hire a person. It's going to take about 8 hours to do both stumps. We needed shovels, pickaxes, and we need regular axes. So to buy that was going to be like $200. Then the time spent doing it. So I'd rather just pay a company $250 Canadian to remove 2 of these, and let's get to it. So with this machine here, we're gonna do the job only a few minutes versus a couple of hours. As you can see, the machine is doing a crazy good job just drilling and cutting in through the stump. So here it is. Essentially, it just leaves a 10-inch hole in the ground, and then you just scoop the ground in. That's how to get rid of a stump. Thanks for watching.